Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I was looking for bread rolls that don't have psyllium husk, are completely egg free. That was very important for this recipe and I think I managed to do it. I'm not saying these are really fluffy and light, but they certainly do their job of a bread roll. So here's a piece that I have right now. I've sliced it open and that's what it looks like. I can't taste it right now, but because I'm doing intermittent fasting, but that's what they look like. So we're standing in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So let's get straight into the recipe. We begin with 2 cups of almond flour, in that goes. Next we have half a cup of whey protein isolate, unflavored. And then we have half a cup of nutritional yeast. This will add to the flavor and make the bread rolls taste really nice. And then we have half a cup of coconut flour. 2 teaspoons, good heaping teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of xantham gum. I didn't want to use psyllium husk, so I got this this part in. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Give this all a good mix, in a dry mix, so that everything gets well combined. And then we'll put in our next ingredients straight into the same bowl, which is 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. In that goes. And now we begin to add hot water. That's 1 cup of hot water. Can you see how the baking soda is reacting now with the apple cider vinegar, and it becomes a little frothy. Give this all a great good mix. And now we'll add the next half cup of water in small bits. This is also hot water, and the entire half cup will go in that goes. And now you begin to bring it into a dough and carry on mixing with the spatula, bringing it into a dough. And of course now it's time to use your hands. And so here is the dough. Don't worry, it's not breaking apart. I'm just patting it together and we put it into the bowl. Okay, now I'm taking an oven proof dish, glass dish, and you make little balls, whatever size you want. I got 8 rolls out of this, and they'll be ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 35 to 40 minutes. Last step, just wet your hands and make them into smooth balls. And yeah, they're ready to go into the oven. Only little mistake I didn't make was putting parchment paper. Do put them in and look what they look like. This is what they look like. Completely eggless, no fuss, no mess. Easy keto rolls, which have turned out eggless. Thank you for watching and do subscribe. Bye then. See you.